A big, beautiful lawn is great to have, but it requires plenty of maintenance. The right riding mower makes maintenance easier, especially for large or damp yards. With many options available, we've highlighted top picks to help you find the best fit for your yard. All the mower links are listed in the description below. Number 15, Husqvarna TS242XD. This is a high-quality riding lawn mower made for homeowners who want an efficient, long-lasting, and comfortable way to take care of their lawns. It has a 21.5 horsepower Kawasaki FR Series 5 twin engine, which allows for dependable starts and fast speeds. The 42-inch clear-cut deck is strong and provides accurate cutting. The mower has a hydrostatic transmission that allows for smooth speed changes going forward and backward. It also has an automatic differential lock that helps it grip well on hills and wet grass. A comfortable 15-inch high-back seat made of quality vinyl and thick cushions makes long mowing sessions easier. It has a strong steel frame and a solid steel cover, making it tough enough to handle difficult mowing conditions and last a long time. Its strong engine and efficient transmission work together to make mowing faster and easier, saving you time on lawn care. Number 14, RYOBI 42-inch zero-turn mower. This eco-friendly mower is lightweight and easy to handle thanks to its plastic build. It runs quietly, making it great for hot summer days. It can cover around 0.33 acres, with the battery dropping from 100% to 80% as shown on the digital display, but it recharges fully in about an hour. The adjustable faux leather seat adds comfort, and while the accelerator pedal may feel jerky at first, you can also adjust its speed response in the display menu. The mower cuts grass evenly and can handle small sticks and leaves. It produces no exhaust fumes or heat. For safety, the mowing deck turns off when reversing, unless overridden, and it beeps loudly to alert people nearby or when you lift off the seat. However, it lacks power steering, which can make tight turns difficult at slow speeds. Number 13, EGO Power Plus ZT4204L. This mower utilizes Peak Power Plus technology. The standard package includes 410 amp-hour batteries, enabling the mower to cut up to 2 acres on a single charge. Delivering 22 horsepower, equivalent to a gas engine, the Z6 reaches speeds of up to 8 miles per hour. It comes with the industry's fastest charger, capable of fully charging 410 amp-hour batteries in just 2 hours. The mower can hold up to 6 batteries as we discussed. An intuitive LCD interface offers complete customization, including 3 driving modes: control, standard, and sport. Additional features include LED lights, a USB charging port, and Bluetooth connectivity. Users have praised the Z6 for its comfortable seat, responsive handling, bright LED lights, and clean cutting performance. However, some have noted that achieving the claimed 2-acre cutting capacity per charge may require adjustments in blade speed and mower speed, especially in hilly terrains. Number 12, Greenworks PRO 80 volts. This one is also a powerful and efficient option for homeowners. It runs on an 80-volt true brushless motor, providing strong performance with quiet operation and longer motor life. With 680-volt 5.0 amp-hour batteries, it can mow up to 2 acres on a single charge. The 42-inch reinforced steel cutting deck ensures durability, while its 8 miles per hour speed and ability to handle 15-degree slopes make it effective on different terrains. LED headlights improve visibility for early morning or late evening mowing. For added comfort, it features a high back padded seat with back support and foldable armrests. The built-in cargo bed can carry up to 200 pounds, making it useful for hauling mulch or soil. It also includes smart features like the Smart G Connect app with 4G GPS for real-time updates and location tracking. Number 11, John Deere S100. With a 17.5 horsepower 13.0 kilowatt single-cylinder engine, the John Deere S100 delivers ample power and torque for mowing, mulching, and bagging. It features a 42-inch 2-blade edge cutting system with a deep deck design made from 13-gauge steel, ensuring superior performance and even cuts. Users can adjust the cutting height from 1 to 4 inches for customized lawn care. The full-length welded 12-gauge steel frame enhances durability, while the hydrostatic transmission with side-by-side pedals allows for smooth and effortless speed and direction changes. Additional features include a spring-assisted hand grip lever for easy mower deck height adjustment and compatibility with various attachments, such as snowblowers and front blades, making the S100 a versatile choice for year-round use. Number 10. Greenworks 60 volts. This electric riding mower offers a powerful and efficient mowing experience. It features a mow, swap, and go system, allowing you to mow continuously by using 2 batteries while the other 2 charge, covering up to 1.5 acres on a full cycle. With a 24 horsepower equivalent brushless motor, it delivers consistent cutting power at 17,000 feet per minute, ensuring clean, even cuts. The 42 inches of deck is built for durability, while the brushless motor enhances torque and lifespan while keeping operation quiet. This mower has an 8 miles per hour cutting speed, making it one of the fastest in its category, and runs 4 times quieter than gas models. For added convenience, LED headlights enable early morning or late evening use, while an integrated cargo bed can carry up to 200 pounds of materials. Its advanced technology detects tough mowing conditions and automatically adjusts power to maintain optimal blade speed, making it highly effective on thick or wet grass. Number 9. Scag Turf Tiger 2. This commercial zero-turn mower is built for tough jobs and long-term durability, making it a reliable choice for professionals. It features a heavy-duty cutting deck designed to deliver a clean, precise cut even in demanding conditions, while its engine, drive system, and suspension seat are similar to others in the industry. What sets it apart is its sturdy construction and simple, no-nonsense design focused on performance. It comes with multiple cutting width options, 52 inches, 61 inches, and 72 inches, and is powered by trusted engine brands like Vanguard, Kohler Command Pro, or Kawasaki FX. The hydraulic drive system ensures smooth and responsive operation, while the 12-gallon fuel tank allows for extended mowing sessions without frequent refueling. With a top speed of 12 miles per hour, it efficiently covers large areas, and the suspension seat provides extra comfort during long hours of use. Number 8. EGO Power Plus TR4204. This riding lawn tractor is specially built for those who want the power of gas without the maintenance. Using peak power technology, it combines up to 6 EGO 56-volt ARC lithium batteries, delivering performance similar to a 21 horsepower gas engine. With the 6 included 6.0 amp-hour batteries, it can mow up to 1.5 acres on a single charge. The 42-inch stamped steel deck is designed for durability, while a top speed of 6 miles per hour allows for efficient mowing. It features a digital display that lets users adjust between 3 blade settings and 3 drive speeds, along with cruise control for added ease. The cutting height can be set to 12 different levels, ranging from 1.5 to 4.5 inches, giving flexibility based on lawn conditions. With dual brushless motors and no belts, it requires less maintenance while ensuring smooth and reliable performance. Number 7. Bad Boy Rambler. This mower is a great option if you're looking for durability and long mowing sessions without frequent refueling. It has the thickest 7-gauge steel deck in its class, making it tough and long-lasting. However, it only comes with a 42-inch cutting width, so if you need a bigger deck, you'd have to upgrade to the Magnum model. One of its standout features is the large 5-gallon fuel tank, which is rare for mowers in this category. Performance-wise, it has a smooth Hydrogear E drive system and is powered by a Briggs EXI 1900 engine, reaching speeds of up to 6 miles per hour. It also offers solid stability with well-sized front and rear tires, making it easy to maneuver. With a 2-year or 200-hour warranty, it's a solid choice for those who value a durable build and extended runtime. Number 6. CRAFTSMAN T2200K. Powered by a 20-horsepower Kohler twin-cylinder engine, it ensures efficient cutting with impressive performance. The 5-inch turn-tight radius and 15x6 20ths by 8-inch wheels allow for easy maneuvering even in tight spots. The high-endurance 42-inch stamped steel deck is designed for durability and can handle yards up to 1.5 acres. The foot pedal hydrostatic transmission offers smooth transitions in speed and direction, making the mowing experience effortless. For comfort, the soft touch steering wheel and cut-and-sew high-back seat provide support during long sessions. Additionally, the mower comes with front-end protection, including a brush guard to protect against dents and scratches. Number Number 5. Cub Cadet Ultima ZT1. It is powered by a reliable Kawasaki FR600V engine, known for its smooth operation and efficiency, making it particularly suitable for the 42-inch model. Constructed with an 11-gauge steel deck, it ensures long-lasting durability while handling tough mowing tasks. The mower features a Hydro Gear EZT drive system, allowing speeds of up to 7 miles per hour for quicker job completion. Its large fuel tank with a 3.5-gallon capacity supports extended mowing sessions without frequent refueling. Designed for stability and control, it has oversized front 11 by 6 inches and rear 20 by 8 inches tires that provide better traction and maneuverability. The mower is available in 42, 46, 50, and 54-inch cutting widths, catering to different lawn sizes. Additionally, it includes a comfortable high-back seat, ergonomic lap bars, and an advanced frame design for enhanced user comfort. Number 4. Ariens Edge 34. It is a compact and powerful zero-turn lawn mower designed for homeowners who need efficiency in smaller yards. It is powered by a 20-horsepower Briggs and Stratton engine, ensuring reliable performance and smooth operation. The 34-inch cutting deck, made from durable steel, provides precise cutting while being small enough to navigate tight spaces. With a hydrostatic transmission, the Edge 34 delivers responsive handling, making it easy to maneuver around obstacles. Adjustable cutting heights offer flexibility to suit different grass conditions. For comfort, it features a high-back seat for extended mowing sessions, while the foot-operated deck lift allows for easy height adjustments. Its zero-turn radius improves efficiency by minimizing the need for multiple passes, saving both time and effort. Number 3. Husqvarna MZ61. For user comfort, this mower is designed with a high-back seat, armrests, foam-padded hand grips, and vibration dampeners, ensuring a smooth experience during long mowing sessions. Powered by a 24-horsepower Kawasaki FR Series V-twin engine, it delivers reliable startups and reaches forward speeds of up to 8.5 miles per hour for efficient performance. The durable 61-inch, 11-gauge fabricated steel cutting deck provides a wide cutting path, reducing overall mowing time. A pedal-assisted deck lifting system allows for quick and effortless height adjustments from the operator's seat, ensuring precise control. When it comes to handling clippings, the mower offers flexibility with options to discharge, mulch, or bag. However, the mulching kit and bagger attachment must be purchased separately. Number 2. Toro Timecutter. This one has been a long popular choice in residential zero-turn mowers, known for its reliability and wide range of models, including the Timecutter Max and Timecutter Havoc. If budget allows, upgrading to one of these models is worth considering. This mower shares similarities with others in its class, but stands out with a thicker 10-gauge steel deck and an option for a compact 34-inch deck for smaller yards. It runs on a Briggs XI 2200 engine with a Hydro Gear E drive system, reaching speeds of up to 7 miles per hour. With a 3-gallon fuel capacity, it provides decent runtime, while its front 11 by 4 by 5 inches and rear 18 by 7.5 by 8 inches. Tires offer stable maneuverability. Another advantage is Toro's extensive dealer network, making servicing and support easily accessible. Number 1. John Deere Z 515E. With a 24-horsepower 17.9 kilowatt V-twin extended life series engine, this mower delivers strong performance, making it ideal for mowing up to 6 acres, especially on flat terrain with obstacles. It features an Excel deep mower deck in 48-inch, 54-inch, and 60-inch widths, designed to cut tall grass efficiently while ensuring a clean, precise finish. For added comfort, it comes with an 18-inch high-back seat with armrests and a 2-spring suspension system. The dual hydrostatic tough torque transmission and 1-inch axles provide durability, while its 8 miles per hour top speed allows for quick and efficient mowing across large areas. So that's it. But remember, investing in a reliable mower not only enhances your lawn's appearance, but also makes mowing a more enjoyable task. Thank you for watching.